Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to link/unlink gelato to eBay. First, navigate to the eBay website on your browser. Then hit the create account button to create your eBay account. Here, go to the other tab and search for the gelato website. After that, click on the first link to reach the official website. Now sign in and reach the stores option on the left side. In the next step, scroll down and connect with the order desk of eBay. Then search for the order desk on the other tab of the browser. Reach the order desk website by clicking on the first link. Next, hit the sign up button in the top right corner. To get started, enter your details in a given form, including your shop name, your name, email, and password. Then click create account to sign up. If you already have an account, then enter your credentials to log in. It will ask you to create a new store, so enter details about it and click create new store. You'll be welcomed to the order desk and select your sales channels to eBay. Go to next and select gelato to print on demand integration. Now click the confirm your selections button. It'll give you on-screen instructions on how you can connect gelato to the order desk. Next, click the order desk setup guide hypertext link to open the gelato website. Head back to the order desk website and click confirm your selections. After that, select the setup your eBay integration option in the checklist. Following that, click go and then connect to eBay. To grant the application access, hit the agree and continue button at the bottom. You'll be successfully connected to eBay. Now change the eBay settings if needed and go to the Manage Integrations tab on the left menu. Here, search for gelato, click enable, and confirm to link it with gelato. Similarly, you can unlink it using this method. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.